G'day and welcome back to the shed. My name's Mark. Well, this is John Fowler and Company 8-ton road roller, number 16930. It's a compound road roller. I've been working on it for now the last 8 years. Just gone this Easter long weekend. We brought it home 8 years ago, and we're slowly in the process of restoring it, bringing it back to working life. It had a pretty hard life. It spent 50 years of its life once it finished up working in 1960 in a park, and with no protection over it, so we're having to do some fairly major work. The amount of work that we've put into it is quite substantial. Those people who are restoring steam engines like this, or steam road vehicles, or any vehicle in such, if you're doing a full restoration, it's quite a bit. It's more time than anything. Yes, things do cost you money, but it's more time. Lately, last few weeks, I've been working on the smoke box, taking the rivets out. Now, admittedly, this has been on there since it was assembled back in 1926. So it's been on there for 100 years, and the rivets that come out of it are pretty solidly rusted. We've had to do a combination of drilling, cutting, and also oxy-cutting these out, and then punching them out. I'll put a close-up shot later on. But the smoke box is now ready to come off. We've taken the headstock off quite a few weeks ago, and it's pretty loose, so I'll grab the forklift, I'll wrap a chain around it, and we'll give it a bit of a wiggle and see if we can take it off. Might try a chain, just see how that goes instead of a sling. Might work a bit better, we'll see. Might have to get some hammering on too. Might be a complete change altogether, because we've got to watch the height when we lift with the forklift here. Let's have a look at that. I just saw my back then. So the smoke box is ready to come off. Like I said, all the rivets have been removed. What I've got to be careful of here is the height of the roof and the forklift, how high I go. That's why I've gone for the chain, to simply make life a bit easier. Now I'm going to go directly here, go for the wide angle. Let's see what happens. Now when the forklift's cold, she runs a bit rough, but after it warms up, it's fine. Righto. That'll be right. Just go down a little bit. Just enough. There's no guarantee this is going to work. I might have to get the hammer onto this as well. Turn that off. While I've got the weight on it, I will get me hammer, give it a bit of a tap wherever I put my hammer. Oh, there it is. Nice long handle. It's only a small sledgehammer, but it's probably going to be, it'll be enough to do the trick because it is on the move. And this is it here. Got a bit of weight on there. I did previously just tap this around a bit and it is moving. And what I'm hoping to do is get it to move. It is moving. I'm trying to get the no, righto. We've got the rust and all in here. And more than likely, this is not going to work. Right. Let's bring you around the back here. Go for a bit of a walk. As you can see, it has started to move. Bit of rust coming out there. Lots of rust and bits and pieces down there. Can't really see there. I'll take a bit more weight off it and see if it wants to play the game. Now the camera angles are going to be a little bit on the rough side. And if this is not going to go tonight, I might do this tomorrow because it is getting a bit late here. So if we get the weight in the right spot, she might just come off. Probably wouldn't hurt to get a bar in either instead of just hammering it. Right, let's get a bar of some sort and try and lever it off. But that does seem to be working, so let's keep working with that. Don't worry, I'm prone to change my mind, as you do on these sorts of things. Well, that's where we're going to leave it for tonight. It's getting a bit late here and I want to tackle this tomorrow afternoon when I come home from work, when I've got fresh eyes and we've still got sunlight, all that sort of stuff. It's not going to go anywhere. It's still hanging on pretty well. There's no one's, once I leave in the morning, no one's coming out to do anything with it. And yeah, so I might just put it back to where it was and put a pin in it and leave it at that. So thanks everyone, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.